In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Expensify with QuickBooks Online. So it's actually a quite simple process. Now, first you want to sign in or log into your Expensify account, and for this you can use the new version of Expensify. You don't have to use Expensify Classic. So the first thing you have to do is then click on your profile icon down here, down below at the bottom, where it says account. And then over here, you want to click on under workspaces, you want to click on workspaces. If you don't have a workspace yet, you'll have to create one by clicking new workspace. And then after you have a workspace over here, simply click on the one you would like to basically use and sync with QuickBooks Online. So click on that. And then from here, you want to click on more features at the very left over here inside the workspace settings. So more features. And where it says integrate, it says accounting, sync your chart of accounts, and more. That's where you want to click on turn on, so toggle it, it's green, there we go, and a new accounting tab will pop up here on the left. Simply click on accounting, and over here it says connections, and you can see QuickBooks Online. Then just click on connect next to QuickBooks Online, and then it will start loading up and it will open up the accounts. So the Intuit accounts, it says let's get you into QuickBooks, and over here you'll have to sign in with your QuickBooks account, and then everything will be synced and connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.